Hey everyone, today we are diving into a detailed comparison of two popular LLC formation services, Tailor Brands and Northwest Registered Agent. I will help you figure out which one is the better choice for your business needs. So, you are looking to form an LLC and you want someone to handle all the paperwork and legal requirements for you. Well, that is exactly what these services do. They basically take care of all the tedious stuff while you focus on actually building your business. Let me break down the costs for you. Tailor Brands offers their basic LLC formation package starting at $99, while Northwest Registered Agent begins at $225. Now, you might be thinking, well, Tailor Brands is clearly cheaper, but the thing is, we need to look at what you actually get for your money. Tailor Brands actually provides quite a comprehensive package. You get your LLC formation filing, a year of registered agent service, and interestingly, they throw in some pretty neat branding tools. I mean, you can create a logo, business cards, and even get some basic website building tools. The thing is, they are really positioning themselves as more than just an LLC formation service. On the other hand, Northwest Registered Agent takes a different approach. Their service is more focused on the legal and compliance aspects of your business. You see, they provide premium registered agent service, which includes scanning every document they receive for you. Plus, they actually give you access to their corporate guide service. These are real business experts you can call anytime with questions. Now, this is where things get interesting. Tailor Brands offers email support and chat support, which is fine for basic questions. But Northwest Registered Agent really shines here. They provide what they call corporate guides, actual US-based representatives who stay with you throughout the entire process. These are not just customer service reps. They are trained professionals who really know their stuff. Privacy and privacy is becoming more important than ever for businesses. Northwest Registered Agent takes this seriously. They actually built their entire business model around protecting your privacy. They never sell your information and use local scanning facilities. Tailor Brands has standard privacy policies, but they are not quite as focused on this aspect. Both services offer decent processing times, but there are some differences. Tailor Brands typically processes LLC formations within 5 to 10 business days, depending on your state. Northwest Registered Agent usually takes about 3 to 7 business days. Actually, both can expedite the process for an additional fee if you need it faster. The thing about Tailor Brands is that they offer some unique extras. You get access to their branding tools, social media templates, and even a domain name for your first year. Northwest Registered Agent, meanwhile, focuses more on business compliance tools like annual report reminders and maintaining your corporate veil. My recommendation. After carefully comparing these services, I have to recommend Northwest Registered Agent for most business owners. Yes, it costs more upfront, but you really do get what you pay for. Their customer service is exceptional, their privacy protection is top-notch, and they simply know what they are doing when it comes to business formation and compliance. However, if you are on a tight budget and need basic LLC formation plus some branding tools, Tailor Brands could be a good option. They offer good value for their price point, especially if you plan to use their branding services. So, what should you do next? Well, if you want to go with Northwest Registered Agent, I have included a special discount link in the description below. This will give you the best available price on their services. If you decide to go with Tailor Brands, you can also find a link to their services below. Remember, whichever service you choose, forming an LLC is an important step in protecting your personal assets and establishing your business legally. Take your time to review all the features and choose the service that best fits your specific needs. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that both these services have money-back guarantees, so you can feel confident in giving either one a try. Just make sure to read through their terms and conditions before making your final decision. That is it for today, everyone. If you found this comparison helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more business tips and reviews. Drop any questions you have in the comments below, and I will do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business journey.